Hi friends, this channel is all about cooking traditional Indian recipes for my Western friends with locally available ingredients. Today I am going to show the preparation of a crispy ground lamb snack in Indian style. Just give a try to this healthy snack. Trust me, it's worth spending time for the preparation. Come, let's check out the ingredients. Ground lamb 1 lb, 1 large size potato. Cook it and smash it and keep it in a bowl. 1 large size onion chopped finely. 2 eggs. Approximately a cup of breadcrumbs. Chili powder 1/4 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1/2 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon. Garam masala powder 1/4 teaspoon. Fennel seeds 1/2 teaspoon. 1 inch ginger and 4 cloves of garlic chopped. Salt as required. Take the ground lamb or beef, wash it thoroughly with water and add to the cooking pot. To that, add all the powdered ingredients except fennel seeds. Along with that, add 1 cup of water, give a good mix and close with a lid and cook it until it's done. Now, in a separate pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is heated, add the fennel seeds and wait until it is roasted. Then add ginger garlic chopped. Give a good mix and make sure it is fried properly. Once it is fried, add the onions to it. Saute the onions till it is soft and nicely cooked. To this, add the cooked lamb meat. Break the lumps and mix it properly along with the onions. Now, after breaking the lumps, give a good mix until it is combined well with the onion. Now, add the smashed potato to the pan. Once it is mixed well, transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down. After it gets cool, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to the meat mix and smash it using your hands. Make sure it is smashed smoothly, something like this. There should not be any lumps in it. Now, after smashing it, shape the meat mix as per your wish. Today, I am making it as a stick and place them in a separate plate. Once it is done, beat 2 eggs thoroughly and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to it and give a good mix. Now take the shaved meat sticks and give a good egg wash and roll them in the breadcrumbs. Make sure the breadcrumbs are evenly spread. Now repeat for all the meat sticks and place them in a separate plate. Now you can keep them in the fridge for 5 to 15 minutes. If you like to freeze it for the next day use, at this point arrange them in a freezer box and freeze it. You can use this up to 2 weeks. After 15 minutes, I am going to fry. Now, to fry them, you can deep fry or shallow fry. Today, I am going to shallow fry them. In a pan, add little oil and add the meat sticks in batches and fry them until all the sides become crispy and golden brown. Yummy! Now our tasty meat sticks are ready. Homemade snacks are really healthy and delicious. Serve these meat sticks with your choice of dip.